Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you have been following this channel, you already know every Monday we break down the hiring processes of top company to help you get your job search. And we have already covered the hiring process of the big four giants, so do subscribe to our channel. This is really going to help you in future. But we have got so many messages of people saying, the process is clear, but what kind of questions do they actually ask in the interview? So here we are. In this video, आज हम cover करेंगे PwC के sample interview questions based on their different lines of services. This will give you a solid idea of what kind of questions they asked, how to prepare, and what kind of answers they are looking forward to. In this video, you will find PwC lines of services overview, lines of services interview questions, top skills PwC looks for as per LOS. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video. PwC has four main lines of services: advisory, assurance, tax and legal, internal firm services. In this video, I will take you through the most commonly asked questions and preparation tips for each of these lines of services. Specifically, I will cover PwC interview questions for technology and management consulting and advisory, audit, accounting and financial analysis in assurance, tax in tax and legal services, internal firm services, and behavioral interviews. So chalo, without any delays, let's start with interview questions for advisory roles. PwC's advisory division helps businesses in solving their complex business problems, improve performance, and increase profitability. In simple words, PwC gives advice and recommendation to help companies cut its costs, improve efficiency, expand its businesses, optimize its teams, or adapt new technologies. The advisory division has two departments. Number one, कंसल्टिंग, जो स्ट्रैटेजी, ऑपरेशंस, टेक, फाइनेंस के साथ काम करता है. इसमें भी दो कैटेगरीज होती हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी कंसल्टिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टिंग. नंबर टू, डील्स, जो मर्जर्स, एक्विजिशंस एंड मोर पे काम करता है. इस वीडियो में हम सिर्फ कंसल्टिंग रोल्स पे फोकस करेंगे क्योंकि PwC प्राइमरीली इन्हीं रोल्स पे फ्रेशर्स को हायर करता है. डील्स डिवीजन भी एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट एरिया है, लेकिन PwC मेनली लॉ ग्रेजुएट्स या लॉयर्स को ही इस पोस्ट पे हायर करता है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद टेक्नोलॉजी कंसल्टिंग. Technology consulting includes roles like data analysts and developers. So the interview questions will be technical and will revolve around programming languages, database management, and other computer science related concepts. Here are some questions that PwC asks in their technology consulting interviews. You can take a look and screenshot them. अब आते हैं PwC के सबसे पॉपुलर रोल पे, विच इज मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टिंग. PwC काफी सारे एरियाज और सेक्टर में कंसल्टिंग सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करती है. यू कैन सी द डिटेल्स ऑन द स्क्रीन. As a management consultant, you will get a chance to work with some of the world's largest businessmen and understand their business issues and growth opportunities. The interview process for the job role will include multiple case study interview rounds. The case study usually revolves around the operational issues of a businessman. मेनली ये टू वेज में होते हैं, एज अ पर्सनल इंटरव्यू एंड एज अ ग्रुप केस स्टडी, ताकि इंटरव्यूज आपके एनालिटिकल और प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स के साथ साथ इंटरपर्सनल कोलैबोरेशन स्किल्स को भी इवैल्यूएट कर सके. हियर आर सम केस स्टडी प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट्स जो PwC ने अपने इंटरव्यू में पूछती है. वी आर नॉट प्रोवाइडिंग यू विद द एग्जैक्ट आंसर्स क्योंकि हर कैंडिडेट का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग अप्रोच अलग अलग होता है, एंड द क्वेश्चंस डिपेंड ऑन इंडस्ट्री कॉन्टेक्स्ट एंड रियल टाइम एनालिसिस. You can see some questions asked in the case study interview here on the screen. To crack the case study interviews, PwC has shared some essential tips that I am sharing with you. Number one, listen carefully and ask clarifying questions. Number two, after the interview has shared problem statement, summarize it in your own words and confirm कि आपने सब ठीक से समझा है या नहीं समझा है. The most important thing is that structure the problem, explain your approach and framework that you will use. Take the interview's opinions and comment on your method. At the end, make a recommendation and back it up with data, analysis and insights. For more tips to clear this round, you can also check the resources and the video that we have linked down below. Number two will be assurance. PwC की assurance division auditing, financial reporting, accounting, risk assessment और compliance पर focus करती है. It includes audit and assurance, risk assurance and forensic services. In this video, we will only talk about audit and related roles. ऑडिटिंग टीम का काम होता है to make sure the financial statement and internal reports are accurate, reliable and compliant. To prepare for the auditing roles, you must have a strong conceptual understanding of core audit concepts like types of audit sampling, etc. Financial concepts like balance sheets, PL statement and cash flow statements. Tools like Power BI. PwC's audit documentation platforms and standards on auditing in India and GAAP concepts. Now, let's take a look at some common audit interview questions that are asked at PwC's interviews. ये questions हमने specifically PwC के hiring team से source किए हैं, so make sure you pause the screen and read them carefully. Assurance division में accounting and financial analysis also play a very important role. Here are some important questions that are asked in interview for both the roles. Pause the screen to take a screenshot. Number 3, tax and legal. अगर लीगल रोल्स की बात करें तो क्वेश्चंस नॉन डिस्क्लोज्ड हैं, बट व्हाट आई कैन टेल यू इज द इंटरव्यू विल रिवॉल्व अराउंड योर नॉलेज ऑफ इंडियन लीगल सिस्टम एंड हाउ वुड यू एडवाइज अ क्लाइंट बेस्ड ऑन द प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट. PwC tax division will work corporate tax, GST, transfer pricing and international taxation. The key tax roles offered by the PwC are tax associates, compliance associates, company secretary, corporate and international tax associates and more. In roles के लिए you likely need a CA or CS degree or relevant qualifications and certifications. To prepare for tax roles, you will need a thorough understanding of direct, indirect and international taxes, financial statements and taxation impacts, latest tax amendments and budget updates, tools like Power BI. It will be a good idea to research PwC's tax compliance platform. We also spoke to a few professionals who have interviewed for this division, and we have compiled a few commonly asked interview questions for tax-related roles. You can pause the screen and take a screenshot for your reference. Lastly, let's talk about the internal firm services. This line of service includes HR and talent acquisitions, sales and business development, marketing and communications, operations and support. PwC के इन interviews में standard questions पूछे जाते हैं. For example, marketing roles के लिए PwC will ask you questions like चाहे आप PwC में किसी भी रोल के लिए अप्लाई करें, you will have to go through a behavioral or HR interview, which will test your motivation to work at PwC, your interpersonal skills and cultural fitness. Here are some common behavioral questions that are asked at PwC on your screen. तो ये थे कॉमन इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस जो PwC के इंटरव्यू में पूछे जाते हैं. Before we end the video, have a look at some interview tips shared by the company's hiring team. You can pause the screen to read and take a screenshot. So, अगर आप भी PwC में जॉब करना चाहते हैं तो अब आपके पास एक clear understanding है on how to do that. Follow these steps, prepare smartly and take the next big step towards your goal. And if you need more information about the hiring process at PwC, do not forget to check the video link down below. If you found this video helpful, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments which company or role we should cover next. See you in the next one. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.